Hi you guys, this is Kiki on a self-care apparel, and we're back with another video. As y'all can see, I have y'all sitting towards this wall because I'm cleaning this wall, cleaning the top part. I just didn't like how messy it was. So let me see this top. Now, what I had up here was my mailers. I could have them sitting like that, where I can have this one like so, and put all the stuff that was up here like so, like that. Then we have my like so, and then here, this one. Ooh. How we gonna do this? If there's a will, there's a way. If there's a will, there's a way. Okay. We're gonna have that sitting up there like so. And then have all my Q-tips can go on top of this dresser. I forgot some way to do that. And then that's sitting right up there. The bunny was on here too. Had it sitting right there. I don't know, y'all. I plan on putting some of this stuff back up here, but it was up here. So, I guess the 4-inch of it. And boom. Let me see. I think, yeah, kind of like how it is, like that. If I need to get some, I can just put stuff down and then just get it out there like that. Or I'm gonna change something up. I don't know yet. But for now, that's all I want to do is show y'all what goes behind the scene when it comes to me having my OCD on how stuff is. But in the meantime, y'all, shop at my website for your self-care V-Day t-shirts. I have that, and I also have in white, in different fonts and different sayings. And also shop your mean tea too, y'all. Shop your mean tea. I have them in different means.